Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use the Sumifs formula. In my previous video I explained how to use the Sumif formula only, that it has one condition. In this Sumifs formula, you can use multiple criteria or multiple condition to get the result that you want. In our example here, I have a list of movies that I downloaded from one website. That's basically the top 10 box office. And I have the metrics here. It has the gross, the theater, the average, and I need to get the gross for all of these movies that I'm having here in the list. And in the same time, I need to get the gross based on this date also. So in this case, I already have given my criteria. This is my first criteria here in N6 and my second criteria here in O5. So the formula it's like that. We'll type equal sum ifs, open bracket. First option here that you need to select the sum of the range. Okay, so in this case that would be E6 to E75. Second criteria, you need to select the range that might have your word that you are searching for. Okay, in this case that will be in column D. The third part of the formula, that is the criteria itself. What we are searching for, we are searching for gross. So that means we are searching for gross inside column D, and we want to get the result from column E. Second part of the formula, it is the second condition. In this case, I want to get the date that equal to Friday, October 7. So in this case, we need to select the second range criteria. That will be in column L6 to L75. Then we will select the criteria itself. In this case, that will be Friday, October 7 in column in cell O6. That's it. We'll press enter. And that would be the result that we'll be getting here, 16,621,000. To confirm this amount, we can filter the gross criteria from here. Okay, and we can have the total here. This subtotal, normal subtotal formula that I used to get the total of the visible cell. I already covered this in another video, so you might visit my channel and watch this video for the subtotal. And that's it. That's how you are using the Sumifs formula. I hope it's easy and it's not complicated. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and activate the alert button to get the new updates. Thank you so much.